This introduction prepares you for the two sets of videos that demonstrate how real-world projects were accomplished using Cactus software. The first set brings to life the two projects described in chapters 8 and 9. We assume you're familiar with the details of the project, stage by stage, so please read the chapters first because this information is not repeated in the videos. For the more sophisticated project, in chapter 9, we also discuss with the case contributor the pros and cons of alternative ways in which the project could have been accomplished using the software. The second set of videos demonstrates in detail the translation process for a selection of analytic tasks in each project, referring step by step to the analytic planning worksheets, which can be viewed in a separate tab on screen or downloaded as PDFs. There's always more than one way to fulfill an analytic task, so the translation videos for the more sophisticated project demonstrate contrasting ways to translate the same analytic task, and we discuss the pros and cons of each way to give you a deeper look at how translation happens in practice.